Hello students, good morning. This is your social study class now. Students, in continuation of the chapter Kinds of Soil, chapter 8. Students, I have been explaining you Indian soils. Indian Council of Agricultural Research has divided Indian soil into 8 categories. Students, I have explained you alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil. Today I am going to explain you last 4 types of soils. That is arid soil. It is also called desert soil. Arid and desert soil. Arid, that means dry soil. Okay. These soils are mostly sandy and barren. Barren, that means not suitable for cultivation. These soils have a high content of salt, but with the help of irrigation, many crops can be grown on these soils. Irrigation, what does this mean? Irrigation means watering the crops. Okay. So the change in the cropping pattern after the start of the Indira Gandhi Canal are a living example of the utility of the desert soil. So this is the example. Next is forest and mountain soils. Such soil are mainly found on the hill slopes covered by forest. These are brown, red and yellowish in color. The color of the soil is different in different place, like brown, red and yellowish. These soils are ideal for growing fruits. Okay, orchards. Fruits like apple, grapes, peaches. Okay, and teak, sal, shisham and redwood trees are also grown here. It is grown well in these soils. These soils are also found suitable for the plantation of tea, coffee, spices, that is spices and tropical fruits. That means forest and mountainous soils, okay, soils are also found suitable for the plantation of tea, coffee, spices and tropical fruits. Teak, sal, shisham, rosewood, these are trees, types of trees that is grown well in this type of soil. So this is about forest and mountainous soil. And now saline and alkaline soil. The drier part of Bihar, UP, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Maharashtra have this type of soil. Maharashtra has black soil as well as saline and alkaline soils. These are known by different names, namely ray, color, ooze, etc. in different places. Some of the salts are transported in solution by the rivers. Who transported these salts? It is transported by rivers and the canals, which percolates in the subsoil of the plains. Percolates means there's pores in soils and it goes through that and reach to the subsoil of this plain. So this is about saline and alkaline soil. Saline, that means mixed with salt. Okay, so what is the distribution of this type of soil? That is the drier part of the Bihar, UP, Haryana, Punjab, then Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Not all the parts of these states. Few parts of these states are covered by saline and alkaline soil. Okay, and last one is peaty and marshy soil. These soils originate in humid regions. Humid regions as a result of accumulation of large amount of organic matter in the soil. Peaty soil is, these soils are found in Kottayam, Alpulisar district of Kerala, where it is called Kari. In this district, this pretty marshy soil is called Kari. Marshy soils high in vegetable matter are found in North Bihar, coastal parts of Odisha, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and parts of UP. Okay, so this is called marshy soil. This soil is originate in humid region. Humid region, that means containing more water vapor, the atmosphere containing more water vapor. That is humid region. And that is about, now we will read about soil erosion and conservation of the soil. Soil erosion. How soil erosion occur? Soil erosion caused by natural agents like wind and water. Wind and rain can change the land by wearing down mountains, creating valleys, making rivers appear and disappear. Okay, how? Because when soil eroded, it is carrying by rivers, rains. Okay, it is carrying soil from one place to another deposit on another place. Okay, so different features occurs, like uh, when it is wearing down from mountains, it create valley. Okay, and then making rivers appear and disappear. It is a slow and gradual process. It is not done in one day or 1 year. It takes number of years. Okay, it is a slow and gradual process that takes thousands, even millions of years to make a valley within mountains, to disappear a river. Okay, but erosion may be speeded up greatly by human activities such as farming and mining. Okay, this farming and mining, these are done by human activities, and by this activity the erosion may be speeded up. Okay, so the how it happened, the cleaning of land for farming, residential and commercial use, cleaning, the people cleaning of the land for farming, for residential, for the settlement, and commercial use can quickly destroy soils. The grass covering is destroyed, and the cutting down of the trees, that is deforestation, this also led to erosion. Okay, so the soil is an important resource, natural resource, that we all must protect. How we will protect? We have to conserve soil. So conservation of soil is very important. Some points are given here. You will read and memorize these points. Okay, students? Various measures should taken to conserve soils. 1. We should control the felling of trees, that is deforestation. Convert it to afforestation, planting of trees. We must plant trees, that is called afforestation. 3. On hilly slopes, we can make terraces. Terrace farming can be done on the slope of the hills. The terrace do not let the water running down and thereby reduce soil erosion. Number 4. We can control water flow by building dams and reservoirs. Number 5. Stop the overgrazing of land. Okay, bare land, this erosion is occurred on bare land. Okay, so overgrazing must be stopped. So these are few points to conserve the soil. So you will read conservation of the soil. 5 points are given in your book. Memorize it up to this. Okay, students, and tomorrow we will do some exercises from this chapter. So the class ends here. Till then, goodbye.